React.js, also known as React, is a JavaScript library created by Facebook in 2013. It is used for building user interfaces. React is designed to facilitate the creation of reusable UI components and efficiently manage the state of those components. It follows the component-based architecture, where the UI is broken down into small, self-contained components, making it easier to maintain and test applications. Now we talked about these components, but what are they? A component is a JavaScript function that takes in props, input data, as arguments, and returns JSX. For those who do not know what JSX is, JSX allows you to easily combine HTML with JavaScript. React is primarily used for building single-page applications and dynamic web interfaces. It's particularly popular for creating complex and interactive user interfaces. The upsides of using React are: number 1. Component-based architecture. React's component-based approach allows developers to break down complex UIs into smaller, manageable pieces. Each component can be reused, making the code base more modular and maintainable. Number 2. Virtual DOM. React uses a virtual DOM, which is an abstraction of the actual DOM. It efficiently updates only the parts of the real DOM that need to change, leading to better performance. Number 3. Large community and ecosystem. React has a vast and active community, with a rich ecosystem of libraries, tools, and resources, making it easier for developers to find solutions and enhance their projects. But like everything else in this world, React has some downsides too. Number 1. Learning curve. For developers new to React or the concept of components, there might be a learning curve to understand and implement the best practices effectively. Number 2. Boilerplate code. Building a full-fledged application with React might require some additional configuration and setup, resulting in boilerplate code, especially for complex projects. Number 3. Frequent updates. React's rapid development cycle can lead to frequent updates, which may require developers to update their code to keep up with the latest practices. Like we said earlier, React has a large community and ecosystem, and we wanted to tell you about some of the technologies that go the best with React. Redux. For managing state in larger applications, Redux is often used with React. It provides a predictable state container and works well with React's unidirectional data flow. React Router. For handling client-side routing in SPAs, React Router is a popular choice. It allows developers to define routes and navigation within the React application. Node.js and Express. React can be used with Node.js and Express to create full-stack applications, where React handles the front end and Node.js or Express manages the server-side logic. Webpack. Webpack is a module bundler that is frequently used with React applications to bundle and optimize the code for production deployment. Embracing React opens up a world of possibilities for developers, allowing them to build modular, maintainable, and high-performance UIs. So, if you're looking to take your web development skills to the next level, React.js is undoubtedly a tool worth mastering. Happy coding!